Okay, y'all, here's the moment of truth for this carrot pie. We're gonna cut it and we're gonna see if it's good or if it's bad. I'm gonna let you know in just a few minutes, y'all. All right, so that's what the slice is looking like. Now, you're supposed to put some Cool Whip, which I happen to have right here, guys. Can y'all see my Cool Whip? We're gonna put just a little bit right on top. Where's my fork? I lost my fork. Y'all, I'm scared. I told y'all I ain't never ever heard of no carrot pie before in my life. I even asked my mama and she said no. So Miss Joanne, this better be good. And I hope you see this video. Here we go, y'all. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is good. Why we never heard of this before? All right, it's good right now. Now, I know I've done some other, what you call it? Taste tests. And it's good at the moment. The thing is, will it be good tomorrow? Will be better tomorrow. But right now, y'all, this carrot pie is pretty good. Miss Joanne, I ain't mad at you, girl. You didn't steer me wrong. You didn't steer me wrong. I'm gonna see if I can let hubby try it on the camera. He probably gonna say no, but we'll see. But y'all, I give this a thumbs up. This is good. You can add this to your Thanksgiving and Christmas dessert table. Anyway, that's the video. Y'all have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all be blessed.